Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green tea shot. This is made with Irish whiskey, but it goes down really smooth. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for the equipment that I used to make this video possible. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Irish whiskey. I got Jameson here, peach schnapps, sweet and sour mix, and lemon lime soda. Alright, we're gonna start by adding nice into a mixing glass. Half ounce of Jameson. Next, we're gonna add half ounce of peach schnapps. Half ounce of sour mix. Now we're gonna shake it. Next, we're gonna strain it. And finally, we're gonna top it out with lemon lime soda. And that's how you make a green tea shot. If you guys like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and until the next one, cheers! Ah.